If you're drowning in clothes for that dream vacation, but your suitcase is screaming, pick a struggle! The Aerless Vacuum Kit might be the space-saving wizard you've been praying for. Or just a pump-up disappointment. Let's unpack the brutally honest, pack-and-pray truth. So Airless markets itself as the travel hack of the century. A rechargeable mini vacuum pump plus heavy-duty compression bags that claim to suck out 60+% of the air, turning chunky sweaters into travel-friendly pancakes. They say you get USB-C rechargeable pump, around 2 hours to full, roughly 30 to 40 uses per charge, double zipper bags, and a leak-resistant valve. Perfect for carry-ons, dorm storage, and backpackers. Price? Usually $40 to $70 depending on the bundle. Now let me tell you something. Compression does work. Physics says if you remove air, your clothes shrink. But only if the bags are made from thick PA or PE plastic and the seal holds. Cheap bags? They reinflate faster than drama on WhatsApp. And what about real-world performance? Reviewers say the pump is surprisingly strong for its size and holds compression well. Most bags stay flat for about a day, which is normal for travel bags. Bags feel durable if you don't overstuff them, and the pump is definitely more convenient than those giant hand pumps. On Trustpilot, the Airless Vacuum Kit sits at around 4.1 stars. So it's not a scammy 1-star disaster, but it's also not some flawless 5-star miracle tool. Most people say it works pretty well for light cleaning, but the common complaints are slow shipping and smaller than expected size. But here comes the roast. The pump is small but noisy. Not jet engine loud, but definitely everyone in the hotel hallway can hear it loud. If you pinch the valve wrong, the bag slowly reinflates. If you overpack, the zipper cries and gives up. And yes, you can get similar unbranded compression kits online for cheaper. A lot of people say Airless just packages everything nicer. Shipping? Mostly fine, but as I earlier said, some users experienced slower delivery depending on warehouse location. So is it worth it? Should you spend your hard-earned money on this? Yes, if you travel often, live in a small space, or want more room for gifts, jackets, or impulsive shopping. No, if you're a once-a-year traveler. Rolling your clothes plus a Ziploc bag works almost as well for free. Airless is like that overhyped gym buddy. Pumps you up amazingly, but if you mishandle it, you'll deflate faster than your motivation on Monday morning. Thanks for watching. Smash like and subscribe for more savage travel gear takedowns that pack value, not regrets.